My name is Dr. Goodhart, and today I want to talk to you about how to keep your body healthy. I am going to tell you a little bit about a recent encounter I had with a patient. Let's go and look.
Oh no, Dottie, you're all green and spotty. What happened to you?
I don't know, Milo. I just woke up like this.
You even smell a little like cupcakes.
Well, about that. I was so hungry, my tummy was rumbling. Then I saw a picnic basket under the tree. It was full of treats, shiny green jelly beans and cupcakes with white icing dots.
That sounds yummy.
I thought so too, so I ate one jelly bean, then two, then the whole basket.
You ate all the sweets?
Every single one. Then my tummy went glug glug glug, and when I looked in the mirror, I was green with white dots.
Well, what seems to be the trouble here?
Dr. Goodhart, Dottie's in green. He ate too many cupcakes and jelly beans.
Heartbeat sounds fine. Tail wagging nicely. Aha! This is not a sickness, it's a sugar overload.
Oh, doctor, my tummy feels like a washing machine.
That's what happens when you eat too many sweets, Dottie. You need to rest, drink water, and eat some healthy food.
Like peas, spinach, and apples.
Exactly. Green vegetables will make you healthy, not green with spots.
I guess I learned the hard way.
Doctor, what kind of food helps animals stay strong?
Crunchy carrots for your eyes, apples for shiny fur, water to keep your body cool, and playtime for a happy heart.
That sounds much better than jelly beans.
Doctor, can we help Dottie get better?
Of course! Everyone can help by reminding Dottie to eat well.
Too many sweets can make you green. That's the silliest thing you've seen. Eat your veggies, fruit and play. Then you'll feel great every day. Apples, pears and carrots too. Healthy foods are good for you.
No more cupcakes for my lunch. I'll eat peas and carrots. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
So when you're hungry, don't be mean. Eat healthy foods to stay nice and clean. Be like Dottie, smart and keen. Don't turn spotty, don't turn green.
Thank you, Milo. Thank you, Dr. Goodhart. I promise to eat better from now on.
Good, because next time you might turn purple with pink stripes.
Oh no, I'll stick to carrots and apples.
That's the spirit. Healthy food keeps you strong, happy, and spot-free.
Bye everyone.
Stay healthy and happy.
Student number 250342287, and I play Milo the monkey.
Hello, my name is Piandri. My student number is 25008481, and I play Dr. Goodhart.
Hello, my name is Kerelik Nitze. My student number is 25550188, and I play Dottie the dog.